Good morning, children. This is Raj Gajendra Pillai, Kana Kingdom. Today we are going to learn about English for class first, chapter second, and the topic is Friends in the Park. Now take out your notebooks and pencils so that you can write hard words, new words, the spelling, yes, which you find it new, write it down for memorizing. Okay. Table of contents. Now what do you understand by table of contents? The table of contents means what all we are going to cover in the topic today. The topic, what is the topic? The topic is friends in the park. This is a story about friends who are playing in the park. So now when you look at the table of contents, table of contents means what all we are going to learn in the topic friends in the park. Yes, hard words, new words means some of the hard words and new words we are going to understand their meanings. We will be reading the text of the chapter, means we will be reading the lines which are given first in the textbook, right? We will be reading the text of the chapter, understanding the chapter, and knowing about park. What is park? We will be knowing about it, right? So be ready. Now let's look into the new words and hard words. Hard words means some of the new words which has come to you and the meanings. You need to know the meanings of it, right? Slippery. When you say slippery, S-L-I-P-P-E-R-Y, slippery. What is slippery? Slippery means slippery. Means it's difficult to hold firmly. When something is slipping out, you cannot hold it firmly. It may slip. Your hand may slip or the thing may slip and go down. You cannot stand on it because it is smooth, wet or slimy. Right? Slippery. Slippery means difficult to hold firmly or stand on because it is smooth, wet or slimy. What is park? A large public garden or area of land used for recreation. What is a park? A large public garden or area of land used for recreation. Hurts, cause pain or injury to. Rough, harsh, violent, not gentle. Usually when you meet somebody, you must have seen people telling gentleman, right? Gentleman means a good man, a good behavior, a good person. Rough means he is rough. He doesn't know how to speak. His words will be harsh. He would be violent. Such people are called as rough. When somebody asks a question, how do you answer it? You answer it politely, right? What is politeness? Right? When you speak out, when you try to speak to somebody, when you speak, you have a politeness in your voice. You answer them in a nice manner. Right? But the rough people, they don't know how to behave. They are very rough. They won't answer properly. You will ask him, what are you doing? He will tell you what you have to do. What you have to do with it. If you ask him something, do you know where this thing is kept? He will tell, I don't know, I have not touched it. Why are you asking me? Instead, if people say, what does people say? People say that, yes, I know, I have seen it on the table. If you have seen on the table, you tell that I have seen it on the table, right? But the rough guys, There are people, they have a very hard tone to speak. They do not speak in a gentle way. Slippery, difficult to hold firmly or stand on because it is smooth, wet or slimy. Park, a large public garden or area of land used for recreation. Hurts, cause pain or injury to. Rough, harsh, violent, non gentle. It's not gentle. Please write this down, write down all the spellings so that you can memorize it. Right? Now, let's go to the chapter. Friends in the park. Manu goes to the park to play every evening. Manu's friend Amina goes to park too. What do you understand by these lines? What does this sentences tell you? Manu goes to the park to play every evening. Where does Manu go? Manu goes to the park. What is park? I have made you understand about the park. What is park? Park is a large public garden or a area of land used for recreation. What is recreation? The activities which we do as a general practice for physical fitness. Physical fitness means what? The exercise which you do in your school, you play games, these are all recreation. What is a park? Park is a place where everybody goes to perform some activities. The elders go for a morning walk, evening walk. Children specially go to play in park. In park there is a special place allocated with a small play station where you have swings, where you have slides, where you have seesaw, you have many of the rides where you climb the ladders and you slide from the slides. So in the park children specially go to play with their friends. Here Manu goes to the park and play every evening. That means in every evening he specially goes to the park to play and enjoy. Manu's friend Amina. Amina, A-M-I-N-A, Amina. What is Amina? Amina is his friend's name. Manu's friend Amina goes to park too. With whom? With Manu. Where do they both go? They both go to park. They go to park for what? They go to the park to play every evening. Right? Park is a place where children specially go to play, swing, slides, seesaw. They play with their friends. And here I would read out, Manu goes to park to play every evening. Manu's friend Amina goes to park too. Right? This says that Manu goes to the park every evening. Manu's friend Amina goes to park too. Means they both go to the park in the evening. Manu goes to the park to play every evening. Right? Now write down the spelling. Amina, A-M-I-N-A, Amina. Friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Evening, E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. Right? Please take this down. Please write it. Now, Friends in the Park continues. Now, what we have seen? We have seen that Manu goes to the park to play every evening. Manu's friend Amina goes to the park too. Here, Amina goes to the park too. They run around and play with other children. Manu goes to the park to play every evening. Amina goes to the park too. They run around and play with other children. That means what? Amina goes to the park too. Means she also goes to the park to play in the evening along with Manu. They run around and play with other children. They run around means what do they do? There is a game where all the children learn. All the children start running and one of them goes and tries to touch any one of them. Right? This is the place where they start running. They run around and play with other children. They make a group out of them and they start playing. They play in the swings, they play in other rides, they play in slides. But this is other game where they start running, all start running and one of them goes to catch them. They run around and play with other children. Park is the place where Manu and Amina has gone to play, as well as other children have also come, because commonly when they go to the park, it's a place where all the children too come to play, where there are two children or three children, three children come together, and when they see there is two, three, they all come together, they make a group and they start playing in the park. Usually park is a place where children go to play, and when they find other children too, they make a group and start playing by running. They take more place to run. If there are only two, they go to some ride, seesaw or maybe swing, and they start playing. They climb the ladder and they use the game called slides, in which they start sliding. Then again they go, they climb on the ladders and they again slide. That's how they take their turns to play the slides or maybe seesaw. They sit ups and downs, they start playing, and after some time they leave that ride so that other children play too. Here Amina goes to the park too. They run around and play with other children. You got the point? What they do? They run around and play with other children. Right? Please write down the spelling of around. A-R-O-U-N-D. Around. Friends in the park continues. We have seen Manu goes to the park daily in the evening to play. Amina goes to the park too. What do? They play around with other children. Yeah, they run around and play with other children. Now they love to play on the seesaw. I said seesaw, upside down. One goes up, the other goes down. There is a balancing bar in the center where equal weights sit on both the places. Then they can play the game of seesaw. And the slippery slide. Slippery slide means the slippery slide. If you sit on the slide, you leave your body, you will slide down. On the back side, there is a place where you have to climb the ladders. Then you sit on the top and slide down. You leave your body, you directly go down. So they play on seesaw and slippery slide. Most of all, they love the swings. Have you seen swings? You can see in the pic. Swing means you sit, you hold the chain, you push the swing and you start swinging. Your body starts swinging because there is a plank in the center, a wooden plank in the center, which is held by the chains. You hold the chain and start swinging, means your body goes front, your body comes back. In the air, it swings in such a way where you can feel that you are enjoying your entire body going backside, then coming straight, going in the front, then again the same thing is repeated in the swing. Have you sat on the swing any time? Look at the pic, swing. How beautifully it swings. Children enjoy the most. They like the swing. I'm sure that you must have sat on the swing and must have played a lot. Right? In seesaw also you must have played in the slide as well. But in the Friends and Park, you see, it's written that they love to play on the seesaw and the slippery slide. Most of all, they love the swing. Means they love the other games, the slippery slide, the seesaw, everything. But most of all, they love the swings. Means the swinging ride is the most loved ride for all the children. A part of seesaw and slippery slide, they love the swing too much. Every children, I hope you also like the swing. Even I like the swing. Right? So I hope all the children, most of all, they love the swing. They love to play on the seesaw and the slippery slide. Most of all, they love the swings. Write down the spelling of seesaw. SEESAW. Slippery already you have written. You can write down the spelling of slide. SLIDE, slide. Swing, SWING, swing. Give you 5 seconds. Please write this down fast. Look at the screens. Friends in the park. What it was written? It was written in the charter that they love to play on seesaw and slippery slide. Most of all, they love the swings. Here you can see there are 2 swings in the photograph. You can see the 2 swings. Right? There are only 2 swings in the park. There are only 2 swings in the park. All the children like to swing. What does it say? There are 2 swings in the park. All the children like to swing. Means what? All the children who are there, present in the park, who have come to play in the park. Right? All the children like to swing. Those who have come to the park, all the children like to swing. Means everybody loves to swing. All the children want to swing. So what they do? They take turns. They take turns so that all can have fun. Means when there are only 2 swings and 5 people, first 2 is going to swing for some time, then he will get down of that swing and other 2 children will replace. Other 2 children will sit and they will play. So this is what is taking turns. Then again the last guy, the 5th one, the 5th child will take his turn too, and the first one will be replaced. So that 2 people change and everybody gets the turn to play in swing, because everybody wants to swing. And when there are only 2, they have to take turns. Means you will play for 20 times, then I will play. That's what usually children do. They count or they give time that for 5 minutes you are going to play, or you are going to play for 6 minutes. Then I will play for 5 minutes. This is what is called turn. So there are only 2 swings in the park. All the children like to swing. They take turns so that all can have fun. Why they take turns? They take turns because everybody should get a chance, so that all can have fun. All the children like to swing. They take turns so that all can have fun. All can have fun means every children present in the park who have come to play will get a chance. What happens when you swing? You have lots of fun. You like that fun, right? So that all can have fun. Means they take turns so that all can have fun. All can have fun means everybody gets a turn to swing and they can enjoy the ride. They can enjoy the swing. There are only 2 swings in the park. All the children like to swing. They take turns so that all can have fun. There are only two swings in the park. All the children like to swing. They take turns so that all can have fun. Means everybody present in the park take turn to have fun by riding the swing, by sitting on the swing and playing the ride called swing. Right? Please write down the spelling of turns. 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 Right? Please write it down. Give you 5 seconds. Friends in the park continues. One day, a new boy, Sunny, comes to the park. Usually, we have seen that Manu goes to the park daily evening to play. Amina goes to the park too. And some other children with whom they play. There are a group of children with whom they play, go regularly. But here, one day, a new boy, Sunny, comes to the park. One day, a new boy, Sunny, comes to the park. He is tall and strong. A part of all the children who are regularly going to the park, there is one guy, one boy, Sunny, comes to the park. One day, a new boy, Sunny, comes to the park. Means a new boy has come to the park when these children are playing here. When these children are all there, Sunny comes to the park. How is he? The description is, he is tall and strong. He is described as tall and strong. He is a new boy. His name is Sunny. Where does he come? He comes to the park. Right? Now, write the spelling of strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. Yes, written. So now, friends in the park continues. Everybody, Amina, Manu and other children are in the park. One day, a new guy, a new boy whose name is Sunny, comes to the park. He is tall and strong. Right? The story was, the chapter was up till here. Now, he wants to sit on the swing. Right? What does he want? What does Sunny want? Sunny, the new boy who has come to the park, what does he want? He wants to sit on the swing. Right? What does he want? He wants to sit on the swing. He pushes Manu off the swing. What does he does? He pushes Manu off the swing. Why does he push Manu? He pushes Manu off the swing because he wants to sit on the swing. Who pushes Manu off the swing? Sunny. Who is Sunny? Sunny is the new boy who had come to the park on that day. His description was, he was tall and strong. What did he do? He wants to sit on the swing. Where he wants to sit? He wants to sit on the swing to play. He pushes Manu off the swing. What for sitting on the swing? What does he does? He pushes Manu off the swing. Right? Is it good? No. First of all, everybody was taking turn to play in the swing. But Sunny was tall and strong. So what did he do? He wanted to sit on the swing. So he pushed Manu off the swing. Is it good? No. It's a bad manner. He should have waited for his turn to come, because everybody there was taking turns to play on swing. But he did not want to wait. So what he did, he pushed Manu off the swing because Sunny wanted to sit on the swing. Right? He wants to sit on the swing. He pushes Manu off the swing. Write the spelling pushes. P-U-S-H-E-S, pushes. P-U-S-H-E-S, pushes. Write it down. Written. In the park continues. Alright. So one day, new boy Sunny came to the park. He's tall and strong. He wants to sit on the swing. He pushes Manu off the swing. Manu hurts his leg. What happens when he pushes? Manu hurts his leg. Means his leg has got injured. Amina is sad. Why Amina is sad? Because that Sunny wanted to sit on swing. So what he did? He pushed Manu off the swing. Manu hurt his leg. His leg was hurt. Amina is sad. Why? Because he wanted to play in the swing. Sunny wanted to play in the swing. Right? He wanted to sit on the swing. So what he did? He pushed Manu off the swing. Manu hurt his leg. Means his leg got hurt when he was pushed by Sunny. Manu hurts his leg. Amina is sad. Who is Amina? Amina is Manu's friend. She got sad because Manu hurt his leg due to the pushing of Sunny. Don't be rough, Sunny. Don't be rough, Sunny. She says. Who says? Amina says, don't be rough, Sunny. Sunny doesn't listen to her. What do Sunny do? Sunny wanted to sit on the swing, so he pushed Manu off. Manu hurt his leg. Amina is sad. Amina is sad. Amina is sad. Don't be rough, Sunny, she says. She says to whom? She says to Sunny. Sunny does not listen to her. Why he doesn't listen? Because he was the new boy who had come to the park. He is tall and strong. Right? He wanted to sit on the swing and play. He pushed Manu. Manu hurt his leg. Amina is sad. Don't be rough, Sunny, she says. She says to Sunny. Amina says to Sunny, don't be rough, Sunny. Sunny does not listen to her. Please write down the spelling of listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. You understood the entire thing now? Manu hurts his leg. Why? Because Sunny pushed Manu. Amina is sad because Manu hurt his leg and Sunny was being rough. So she said, don't be rough, Sunny. She says, Sunny does not listen to her. Listen. So you have written the spelling of listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. Rough. R-O-U-G-H. Yes, please write this down. Give you 5 seconds. Now, what happened? The entire story was Sunny pushed Manu. Manu hurt his leg. Amina was sad. Amina said that don't be rough, Sunny. And they all went home. Next day, nobody wants to play with Sunny. Means what? Nobody means everybody who are present, all the child who is present in the park. Next day, nobody wants to play with Sunny. Everybody is not willing to play with Sunny. Why they don't want to play? Because the other day he had pushed Manu off the swing because he wanted to play on the swing. Right? He did not listen to Amina. Amina said, don't be rough, Sunny. He was not listening. So next day when he came, nobody wants to play with Sunny. Nobody played with Sunny. Right? Nobody wanted to play. So nobody wants to play with Sunny next day. You are too rough, they say. Everybody says that you are too rough. They say that you are too rough. Everybody, all the children said that you are too rough. You are too rough, they say. Next day, nobody wants to play with Sunny. Next day means the other day he had pushed, and second day at the evening he had come to the park. Next day, nobody wants to play with Sunny. You are too rough, they say. They say that you are too rough. We don't want to play with you. Because just for sitting on the swing, what he did, he hurt Manu by pushing him from the swing and did not listen to Amina. Amina said that don't be rough, Sunny, but he did not listen to her. So next day, nobody wants to play with Sunny. You are too rough, they say. Right here, write down the spelling. Nobody, N-O-B-O-D-Y. Nobody, N-O-B-O-D-Y. Nobody, N-O-B-O-D-Y. Nobody. Friends in the park continues. What did they do with Sunny? Next day, the other day he was rough. He pushed Manu off. Manu hurt his leg. He did not listen to Amina. Next day, nobody wanted to play with Sunny. Everybody said that you are rough. Sunny feels bad. Why Sunny feels bad? Because nobody wants to play with him in the park. You are rough. Everybody said, we are not going to play with you. You are rough, Sunny. So Sunny feels bad. He says sorry to Manu. What does he do? He says sorry to Manu. Sunny feels very bad because nobody wants to play with him. Everybody is telling that you are rough. Sunny feels bad. He says sorry to Manu. What happens to Sunny? Sunny was pushing because he was tall and strong. He wanted to sit on right. He never listened to any of the friends. Next day, nobody wanted to play with him. They said, you are rough. So what happened? Sunny feels bad. Sunny feels bad. He says sorry to Manu. Why? Because other day he had pushed him off the swing because he wanted to play on the swing. Manu and Amina play with Sunny. Once Sunny feels bad, he says sorry to Manu because he felt that he was wrong and he apologized. He said sorry to Manu. Manu and Amina play with Sunny. Then what happened? There was some changes. Manu and Amina play with Sunny because Sunny felt bad. Sunny feels bad. He says sorry to Manu. Right? The others join too. The others join too. Means, first of all, nobody wants to play because he pushed Manu. Sunny feels bad. Right? The next day, nobody wanted to play with Sunny. So what he did? Everybody says that you are rough. Sunny feels bad. He says sorry. With a sorry, Manu and Amina started playing with Sunny. The other children also joined too. The others joined too. Right? It was like a realization that he has done bad. Nobody wanted to play. He feels bad. He says sorry to Manu. Manu and Amina play with Sunny. The others join too. Others join. Right? This story is all about friends in the park. Manu going to the park daily. Amina goes to the park too. They run around and play with other children, right? They go, they play in slides, they play in seesaw, they regularly go and play, right? So what happened one day? One day, a new boy came to the park. He started playing with everybody, but he wanted to sit on swing. He was tall and strong, so he pushed Manu because he wanted to sit on the swing, which was bad, right? So next day, nobody wanted to play with him. Sunny feels bad. He says sorry to Manu. Manu and Amina play with Sunny. The others join too, right? So now the entire story summary I have given now. Worksheets to follow, worksheet will come. Please write it down. Please write down the spellings of others, OTHERS, others. Right? You need to write it. The spellings which are hard, always repeat it again and again, memorize it. Now, I would say, happy learning. Friends in the park, it was a very happy learning for you all. Please go through it, memorize it. Memorize the spelling as well, so that it helps you to write proper answers. Right? Happy learning. Thank you.